Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Now I got a developer that's bringing the noise with these watch faces. They are all free for the taking and they're all new. Now this developer is definitely bringing the noise with this one. I'm telling you, you're gonna like all of them. But if you wanna win a full free collection from this developer, just check out his work in the Gear Manager store. Just type in the name of the watch face that we're gonna review and it's gonna give you instructions on how to do it. Cool? With that, let's go ahead and get this review started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out. We got 3 in all by a new developer, and I'm telling you, he got down on all these watch faces, but number 1 is my favorite. Now, the name of the watch face is called MQ17 Highlighted Face. Very nice looking, bold looking watch face. You can get away with dressing up to a degree, let's say super casual and or casual. Now in always on mode, it looks nice, looks decent, but not as good as when the watch face is on, and when this watch face is lit up, it looks awesome. Now up at the top, you get 3 dials. You get one for your steps, your heart rate, your battery info, and they're all in the active. So if you need to go in and extract more information, you can tap on any one of these and it will bring up that information for you. You come down, you got a nice bold digital time. You also get step info, miles walked or ran, animated seconds. You get the day of the week, the month, and the day. And down here at the bottom, you get a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which adds a little bit of class, in my opinion. I'm liking the look. I'm thinking the developer got down on this one. Now, if I tap right here, I can change the theme of the watch. Let me double tap rather. I can change the theme of the watch face in the background. Check it out, right? You get a few in all that you can change it to. This is probably going to be my favorite right there. I don't know, guys. You got to let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and or are you going to download this one? All right, let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Okay, people, watch face number 2. This one is just as nice. It's called Rotary 2 Sportive Style. Very nice looking watch face. Super casual is a nice word for this one, and or just plain old casual. It's an everyday watch face that's going to look good on your wrist, especially considering that it is free. Now in always on mode, it's pretty much just going to be dimmed down. When it's on, it has a nice look. I'm really liking the super awesome look of the hour hand and the minute hand, and I like the bold numbers of the 12 and the 6. Just kind of gives it some character to the whole watch face. And you will get info on your battery info, and also if you need to get more info on your steps, just do a single tap right there and it'll take you into it. Also, you will get the best of both worlds. You get analog and digital down at the bottom. The developer, very creative. I'm loving this one. Right now, if I double tap down at the bottom, I change the theme of the watch face, and it has quite a few to change to, and we're going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're in for when you download this watch face. I'm telling you, the developer thought this one all the way through. Very different from most that I've seen, and I'm liking it. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Would this be one you're going to download or not? All right, you all, let's check out, last but not least, watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now this one is decent. It's an everyday watch face, casual watch face, and a free watch face at that, right? Now, in always on mode, it's pretty much just going to be dimmed down, but when it's on, you're going to get a colorful analog watch face look, and you're going to get a few dials in all. You're going to get the day and your date. Also, you can single tap to get your information, heart rate information, step information, battery info by a single tap, and I thought that was pretty nice. And you get 3 colors that you can change to as well. Let me just double tap right here or double tap right here, and you can change the colors to a few different colors. Not bad at all. I thought it was worth the download, you all. I hope you all enjoyed the freebies, because I know I did. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on all 3 watch faces, and let me know if you're going to download all 3 or which one was your favorite. All right, you all, hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel, and I'm gonna see you all again at the next video. Take care, enjoy the Monday grind. Remember, grind hard, it will be over with soon.